Shelter, food, and beer. Shelter, food, and beer. There's a lot of beer.
Start out with some traditional dried peppers. Please don't ask me to pronounce the names of these peppers. As I'm gonna bring them up to temperature and kind of heat them up a little bit. That helps me take the stems off, clean a little of the seeds out before we continue on. Wonderful, they're smoking, hot to the touch. I'm gonna clean them and start my sauce. And this is why they say to clean out the peppers, because you don't have to get every seed out, but you certainly don't want all those seeds in your meal. And the stems, that's a no-brainer. They gotta go. The sauce starts out pretty simple. We're just going to put all these peppers into a small saucepan. This is probably too small. And we cover them with water to rehydrate them and bring out all that wonderful pepper smoky flavor. And don't forget to put a half a onion in there. Cover and bring to a boil. It came to a boil, turned off the heat and let it rest for a couple minutes. Now I will transfer these ingredients into a mixer. 1 bay leaf, 10 allspice berries, and some black pepper. A tablespoon of black pepper. I like a lot of garlic, but 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, chicken bouillon, oregano, and cumin. 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and a cup and a half of fresh squeezed orange juice. Let's blend that up. At this point, you want to give it a little flavor taste. It's beautiful color, dark, red, rich, delicious, good legs on it, and that is really good. The heat kind of comes in on you slowly, but it's there. I think it's perfect, but it's also a little heat intensive. So what I decided to do is I'm going to put some of this Mexican chocolate in there. We'll sweeten it up and kind of balance it a little better. It has cinnamon in it, and I use this when I make a mole. So I'm going to give that a try. It's my kitchen until she gets home. Okay, give that a quick blend. Let's see what we have here. That is exactly what I was going for. It's very subtle, sweet, and that cinnamon flavor really comes through. Delicious. Okay, that sauce was really fun and easy to make. It's not that difficult, but if you don't feel like you're up to it, they make adobo and mole sauce in a jar. But cook. Yeah, live a little.